Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel at Lisa J's World. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you. And if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So today guys, I have a special reveal. I had the pleasure of visiting the Coach Boutique in August during my anniversary trip, and I got surprised by my husband, and he purchased a new bag for me. But before I get into that reveal, I want to share my bag of the day, which is the Coach Tilly in the color block color. I recently got this bag this summer. So if you're interested in the unboxing of this bag and what fits in this bag, if you're interested, because I don't think it's available on the outlet anymore, but if you're interested in it, you may find it at a secondary market like Mercari, Poshmark, eBay. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it below. So let's get into this reveal, guys. I'm so excited. I really am excited. I have been holding out on this bag and I didn't know exactly when to reveal it to you guys. But since we're getting ready to enter into the fall month, which is this month in September, I want to reveal this beautiful bag. And it is, without further ado, the Coach Rogue 25 in the elephant print. It is a gorgeous bag. I would not have chose this one for myself. I was going to get the most popular Coach Rogue, like the dark green one or the jacquard one. And this one, my husband wanted for me. And I am so happy he chose this bag because I love elephants. And it is so gorgeous. And this is from the Coach Forever collection. And I got some notes here so I can okay, so it is gloved hand leather, and it's gloved hand leather even on the inside. It's leather. And that's what really drew me to this one. When I took it off the shelf and looked at it closely, the other ones have the suede inside, but when I saw this leather on the sides of the Coach bag, I was like, yes, I like this bag. And this is from the new Coach. This is the new Coach Rogue 25, and it comes with these straps that are detachable. And this is the color brass. Now that I'm showing you the hardware, this is the color is brass slash dark teak. It is a beautiful, beautiful color. These straps, these skinny straps, are for shoulder wear, and the strap length on these are let's see, detachable straps with drop. So this is 11.5 inches. This is 11.5. And you see that nice brass hardware with the elephants. And the handles I have turned inside. There's a slip pocket here. There's a credit card slot here. And it has the brass zipper pulls. They're really thick. It also comes with a another strap that you can crossbody. I don't have it here. Hold on one moment. Okay, so this is the other strap that comes with it. And what they call this is, they don't call it a crossbody strap. They just say that this is another strap, a detachable long strap for shoulder wear or crossbody. You can adjust it. I have it on the last hole. You can adjust this for shoulder body, and I've actually put it on crossbody with this bag. And you can take these straps off and just replace them. So with the long detachable strap, it's 21.5 inches in the drop for shoulder wear or crossbody wear. The sizing on this bag is 9 3/4 long going this way, 7 3/4 inches high, and it is 5.5 inches wide. It has 4 feet on the bottom with the reinforced leather. There is a little detailing on the feet that have Coach, and I don't know if you could see that. So it has a hang tag that is the same brass and teak color. And I don't think that I don't think that that's black. The lining on the inside looks almost like it's charcoal, like a charcoal color with the brown, the teak brown. On the inside of it, it has a snap pocket, slip pocket with the Coach Creed. I love the lining. It's like the gingham lining inside. There's no pocket on this side. So that's just an open space. It has a lot of little details on it. So they have like the leather tag, and this comes down a little bit further down. The zip function. This is so beautiful, and I love elephants, you guys. This is a piece of art. Now, the creative director from Coach, who is Stuart Vevers, he's 48 years old. He's the creative director of Coach. He's worked for Calvin Klein, Bottega Veneta, Givenchy, Louis Vuitton, where he worked with Marc Jacobs and Mulberry. So I was told that he created this collection. His inspiration was in Central Park, New York. He was sitting in the park and he was drawing and creating this collection, the Coach Forever collection. So that's why you see the animals on the different, the newer Coach Rogues that are just came out, because that was his inspiration. Nature was his inspiration. I am in love with this bag. This is now my new art piece of a bag, and I will be wearing her. She will not be sitting on the shelf. I know it is totally different than what everyone else is used to seeing on YouTube, because I've searched too. I've not seen any videos on this particular Coach Rogue. I just see it on the more popular ones, the brick red, the green, and not many videos of it. So I wanted to share this with you guys because I'm just so happy, because I had a hiccup along my handbag journey not too long ago, and now I have this bag here. I'm gonna take the straps off. Like, first, before I take the straps off, I want you to see how it fits on the shoulder with room. So I don't know if it's a bag that could be worn probably with a lightweight jacket. I'm not sure about the puff jacket, but especially during the fall, I could carry this on my sweaters, my overpieces, ponchos, things like that until it gets really, really cold. Let me take these straps off. And at first I didn't know exactly where to put this strap. I thought that it would make sense if they would, allow the strap to be, on here like this, you know. But I put it on and I tried it. And put it on crossbody. And it works. I even like the way where it falls. And you can still see the beauty of this bag. It's not hidden whatsoever. And I have it on the last hoop. And I have been wearing a lot of bags that are smaller lately. Mostly the Coach bags. Not so much Dooney, but so I've been learning how to downsize in my bag. So I definitely will be able to carry this bag without any problems because it's not a Coach 39, I believe, or Coach 30. Anybody remembers or knows uh, the Coach lines for the Rogues? You could correct me in the comments. I love these handles. The handles on here are 3 3/4 drop handles. Okay, guys, so that is my reveal. It's just so nice. It really is different and it's nice. And I'm glad that the other artsy bag that I showed you guys earlier this summer when I got on my girls trip, I actually passed that on to my niece and she's been wearing it religiously. She wears it as a weekend bag and whatever, whenever she feels like wearing it. So I do have now a piece of art in my collection. It's beautiful, and I really appreciate my husband for purchasing this bag for me. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this reveal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.